build credit and grow savings at the same time. That's the big promise of Credit Strong's Magnum plan, a high-limit credit builder loan that claims to boost your credit score and net worth together. In theory, it sounds like the perfect win-win. You pay yourself, your payments get reported, and you walk away with better credit and real savings. But if you've ever looked at your credit report and wondered why progress feels so slow, you know not every credit builder lives up to the hype. So today we're digging into the Credit Strong Magnum, what it really costs, how it works, and whether it's worth locking up thousands of dollars for years just to build credit in 2025. I've reviewed nearly every major credit building product: Self, Kickoff, Chime Credit Builder, and Grow Credit. Some truly help you build a solid foundation, others just recycle your money with fancy branding. So when I heard about Credit Strong's Magnum plan offering limits as high as $25,000, I had to test it. I signed up, read the fine print, and tracked my credit report over 90 days. This isn't sponsored. I wanted to see if a premium builder loan actually delivers premium results, or if it's just an expensive savings account pretending to fix credit. Credit Strong's Magnum plan markets itself on three main promises. Claim number one, massive credit limits. The Magnum offers installment loans from $10,000 to $25,000, the highest among any credit builder service. The idea is that higher credit limits improve your credit mix and lower your utilization ratio. Claim number two, Credit Milas Savings Combo. Each payment goes toward your own savings account. When you complete the term, you get your principal back, supposedly building both credit history and cash reserves. Claim number three, no hard credit check, no risk. They promise instant approval, no inquiry on your credit report, and flexible cancellation if you change your mind. These claims sound powerful, but let's test how they hold up. Setup and cost. The Magnum plan isn't cheap. The $25,000 version requires a $199 setup fee and a $250 monthly payment for 120 months. Yes, 10 years. Over that time, you'll pay more than $30,000 in total, including interest. If you cancel early, you only get back the principal you've paid so far, minus fees. That's a long commitment for something labeled low risk. Credit impact. In my 90-day test, the Magnum reported flawlessly to all three bureaus. My credit mix improved, and my score jumped 22 points within the first month. But here's the catch. Payment history helps, yet the size of the loan doesn't multiply your score boost. A $25K account doesn't help more than a $1K one if both are paid on time. Savings. Feature, yes, you technically save while paying, but since you're paying interest on your own money, it's not real profit. For most users, it's a forced savings account that costs extra. Accessibility and support. No hard inquiry is a plus. Signing up takes minutes, and the interface is clean. Customer support is decent, but slow with refunds and cancellations. Who it's for? The Magnum only makes sense for users who already have stable income, want a thicker credit profile for mortgages or business funding, and can afford to lock away hundreds monthly. For average users, cheaper plans like Credit Strong's Core or Self's Builder Loan give nearly identical results with less financial pressure. The Credit Strong Magnum works. It reports correctly, boosts your payment history, and adds depth to your credit file. But it's not a magic fix. You don't need a $25,000 installment loan to build credit. You need consistency. If you can afford the high payments and want a long-term trade line to strengthen your credit mix, Magnum is a legitimate option. For everyone else, it's overkill, a premium tool for a basic problem. So, is Credit Strong Magnum worth it in 2025? Only if you treat credit building like an investment strategy, not a quick repair. Otherwise, stick with smaller, smarter alternatives and keep your cash liquid, because credit strength shouldn't come at the cost of financial flexibility.